Today on Happiest Camper, we are going to show you how to sew this cute Dolman top. Download the free sewing pattern linked in the description. Let's get started. Use the pattern to cut out your fabric pieces. Pin the front and back bodice right sides together at the shoulders and side seams. Sew at the shoulders and the side seams. Pin the waistband pieces right sides together at the short ends. Sew. Fold the waistband over on itself, wrong sides together. Divide the waistband and the hem of the top into quarters. With raw edges aligned, pin the band to the bottom of the shirt and sew. You will need to stretch the waistband slightly to fit. Fold the neckband in, right sides together, and sew the short end. Divide the neckband and the neck of the shirt into quarters. Pin the neckband to the neckline of the shirt and align the quarter marks right sides together. Pin the seam of the neckband to a shoulder seam. Sew. Understitch the neckline of the shirt by folding the neckband seam allowance towards the neckband and sewing 1/8 of an inch from the seam line. Fold the neckline to the wrong side of the shirt, pin, and sew in place, using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Trim off the excess neckband fabric. Double fold the hem of the sleeves by 3/8 of an inch and sew. And that's it! Now you know how to sew this cute dolman top. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest sewing content. We have so many sewing projects you can follow along with to sew something new. Thanks for watching.